Okay, this is quite a tricky question, I think. So, exam technique. When you come across a question like this in the exam, skip it, okay, and leave it to the end of the exam. You should get all the questions that you know how to do done first, okay, and then come back to the difficult ones at the end of the exam. Don't waste time and get bogged down in a difficult question like this in the middle of the exam. Okay, so this is how I've laid out the information you've been given in the question. We're told that the ratio of all white shapes to all black shapes is 3 to 7, okay? The ratio of white circles to white squares is 4 to 5, and the ratio of black circles to black squares is 2 to 5. Okay, and our objective is to find out the fraction of circles what fraction of all shapes are circles. Okay. So, with questions like this, your aim should be to work out the ratio of all four together. Okay? We have a total of 4 different shapes. Okay? Black circles, black squares, white circles, and white squares. So, write this down. Okay, and our aim is to fill in these numbers here. Because once we've done that, we've won. We can work out the fraction of circles as a fraction of all shapes. Okay, so how do we do it? Right, look at the black circles to black squares. Okay, it's a ratio of 2 to 5, and that adds up to 7. Okay. So what you want is for that number, those two added up, the 7, to be the same as this number, and it is, okay? Because when you add together the black circles and black squares, you're told that there's a 7 there to 3 of those, and the black circles and black squares currently adds up to 7, so that's good, okay? Now we want the same for the whites. The white circles plus the white squares here, 4 plus 5 adds up to 9. So we want that number to be the same as this. It isn't, okay? It's because the white circles plus white squares adds up to, well, we want it to be 9. So 4 plus 5 makes 9, so we have to turn this number into 9. Now with ratios, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So we've multiplied by 3, okay, to turn that into 9. So we have to do the same here. So 7 times 3 is 21. Okay? Good. So now 4 plus 5 is 9. It's the same as the white number here in the total ratio, 9. Okay? Now recheck. Okay, we've changed this number, and 2 plus 5 is 7. It used to be correct, but now it's not the same. That's 21. So we have to fiddle with these. We have to change these so they both add up to 21. Now, if we multiply 2 by, well, both sides by 3, then it works, okay? Because 2 times 3 is 6 and 5 times 3 is 15, okay? So the ratio is still correct because what we did to one side, we did to the other, right? But now they add up to 21. 6 plus 15 is 21, okay? So we've done it, okay? 6 plus 15 for the black shapes makes 21. We've got that here for the total for the black shapes. 4 plus 5 is 9 for the white shapes, and we've got that here for the total, the white shapes. Okay, good, we've done it. We're ready to fill in the full ratio, okay? So, black circles is 6, black squares is 15, white circles is 4, white squares is 5. Good. And as always, do a quick check, make sure it's correct, okay? So for black circles to black squares, 6 to 15, that's correct. Same as the original ratio, 2 to 5. White circles, the white squares, 4 to 5. Yes, that's correct. Good. And the total, these two added together, should be this to this. These two added together is 21. Yes. And the white ones, 4 to 5, added together should be 9. Yes. So the ratio is correct. Excellent. Okay, so that's how you do it. And now we can actually answer the question. That's the hard bit done. It's the easy bit now. The original question was, what fraction are circles as a fraction of all shapes? Okay, so circles as a fraction of all shapes is equal to, well, it's 6 plus 4, because there's a total of 10. Right, it is. I'm rushing. Right, it's 6 plus 4. Okay. Black circles plus white circles. The fraction of all shapes is all those numbers added together. 6 plus 15 plus 4 plus 5. Okay. Which is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10 over 21, 20, 30. Okay. Cancel those. So it's a third. And that is the final answer. Okay, so that is how you do these sort of questions. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like button, and it would be a massive help if you could subscribe. It would also be amazing if you could support me on Patreon. All the papers and everything are on my website, drgem.com, and I'm also on social media. Thank you.